Hello everyone. Today we are actually going to talk about a custom loader that you can actually load before your web app loads. It's a lot of loading here going on, but there is a lot of people actually asking about this feature, and I think in the community as well. So here I have, this is my custom loader. This is my face actually appear because it's my app icon. That's why it appears as well. But this is what we're going to talk about. And before we started, actually, I just want to mention my Discord channel real quickly because there's like you can actually see my videos that are in progress, and you can actually see the video that we're going to talk about today. And actually, it was requested by a user of mine who is actually the voter. And of course, you can join my channel. You can ask anything that you want to, um, based on Flow or any other platform that I mentioned in my videos. And also, you can actually request a video from here as well. And of course, become a paid member. If you become a paid member, you have like a special section in my Discord channel that will be if you become a fanatic or a buff. Actually, you have this special access to the paid channel membership of my Discord channel. And yeah, thank you very much for all the people actually consider being a paid member. And if you don't consider being a paid member, actually, you can also try and click on the thank you button. So yeah, thank you very much. So without further ado, let's jump into this today video. So there is not a lot actually to talk about or to show you, not to talk about, but to show you, because if you load like I showed you at the beginning, this is the working demo of it. So this is a Dino. This is a PNG, but it could be like a GIF as well. So it could have a GIF as well. Also, my app, it appears that it's loading pretty fast actually. But of course, if it's not, it will actually show you the loading animation if you have it in GIF. And it's a great alternative if your app it's actually loading a lot of time, like a lot of minutes, seconds, and a lot of people are actually asking that. I think in the community as well. So I decided to do a video explaining how you can implement it. So let's jump into it. So the first thing that you have to do is, of course, deploy your project to the web, which is self-explanatory, I think. And then if you scroll down, you have this section called custom headers, and it says code will appear here inside the head tag of your published website. So that actually means that basically you can put anything that you think of in the headers. Like you can also put like CSS if you want to as well. In theory, I haven't tried that, but in theory, you can put like CSS there, like custom JavaScript, like we are doing it here right now, or anything that you can think of. Actually, you can put it in these custom headers, and as well. I actually Another thing that I want to mention is that I'm using actually my GitHub repo in order to host my JavaScript file. But I think I'm pretty sure that if you're using Firebase or if you're using Superbase, you can actually use their storage products, so you can actually store those files. There are actually two files that you need to store. The one is the JS file, and the other is the actual image that, or the gift or an image, whatever feels comfortable with you. And then you can actually store it also as well. You don't need to have a GitHub account. Like I said, I'm using my GitHub account, and I'm actually using my Git pages in order to host this file. But I think you can also upload it inside Superbase storage or Firebase storage, and it should work the same way. So what you need to do is, if I switch to my GitHub, this is my GitHub, and I have one file which is index.js. So index.js, you can copy the whole thing from this, from my GitHub, of course. The link will be built down below. And also, the only thing that you need to change is actually the loading icon. So the URL that is going to load the icon, and not the icon, but the image or an icon or a gift. So, like I said, this could be like an image or a gift. Just change this line so you can host it. You can copy, you can click on the raw, copy the whole file, like Control A, of course, copy the whole file, save it somewhere that you want. So it could be like index.js or wherever, like loader.js or wherever you want to. And then, of course, load your image or gift and change that to a URL. So this should be a working URL. So when you open this actually in your browser, you should see the image in your browser. And you can actually see a loader over here. So that was AI generated images you can think of. So as you can imagine, so yeah, it's not the perfect one, but yeah. And then, so yeah, the first thing, change this, upload your gift or image, change this URL, then get the whole content of this file, then save it and upload it again to your, it could be GitHub, Firebase, Firestore, or wherever you feel comfortable with to host it. And the last thing that you need to do is just copy this line of text over here, and then instead of this source, you need to actually put your own hosted file. So it needs to be the whole path to the JS file. And that's basically it. When you're done, you need to just click on this button, publish. And when you click on publish, it should be published. And then the result should be when you load your web app, you will see your loader. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope by watching this tutorial you'll be able to customize your web experience of your users even more. So thanks very much for watching. But before you go, actually, thanks for watching this video, but please help me to reach 4,000 subscribers. And when I reach 4,000 subscribers, I actually have a surprise for every single subscriber that I have. I will shuffle them and I will do a live session and I'll announce the winner. And what will be the winner? The winner should be a subscribe to the channel, and the price is this one. It's a Flow swag actually. I want to give to one of my subscribers. Like I said, it will be a live session when I reach 4,000 subscribers. And this Slack is actually have a t-shirt, the same that you see over here. It has stickers and it has a mug. So it's pretty good mug that you can drink your coffee or tea or whatever you like to drink from it. And like I said, I will give this to one of my subscribers. So please subscribe to the channel. And also, I'll do a live session. So it should be in the live session when I reach 4,000 subscribers. And I'll just pick from wherever who is subscribed. And it is in the live session. And I pick a winner. So he or she can immediately DM me the address, and I can send this Slack box. So please subscribe to the channel to have a chance to win this amazing Slack box. I just want to say that the paid membership for YouTube is now open, so you can be a paid member to my YouTube channel, which means a lot. And thank you very much for all the people who are right now paid members to the channel.